let's take a look at social class diversity. Social class may be thought of as the social category of people based on their cultural, economic, political, or educational status. Often shaped by income, social class may also be identified by educational attainment, language, house, composition habits, and lifestyle, among other factors. Socioeconomic challenges remain a key barrier to economic progression of individuals, families, and communities around the world. Rapid changes in population and workforce demographics require organizations and leaders to develop a nuanced understanding of how people from diverse social classes are included and enabled to work effectively. The global economic and financial crisis increased public awareness of the rising inequalities produced by neoliberal capitalism and its impact on workers based on their class, gender, race, and geographic location. Understanding social class and its theories presents unique challenges for researchers and academic scholars, such as defining and operationalizing it. Although there's a plethora of literature about increasing diversity in the workplace, not much attention has been paid to the importance of managing socioeconomic differences between groups. As a result, diversity literature has often taken class for granted or acknowledged it only superfluously.